Alright, so as you guys can see, I just finished doing my motherboard, put the RAM sticks in, the fan and the CPU down there, connected it into the CPU fan also right here. And right now, I'm taking off the lid of my case. You can see, it's pretty big. But yeah, I'll get back when I install the motherboard in. Alright, as you can see, I'm installing one of the motherboard standoffs. I already got the first row up there done. 1, 2, 3. I'm on the second row, this is my last one. Gotta get it till it snaps in. I think that's good. Let's put this on. Where? Yeah, it's right here. This one, I think it's good. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I just need 2 more right here. And so one right there and right here, and then I should be able to install my motherboard in. Alright, as you guys can see, I installed the motherboard in. Dude, this thing was a pain in the ass. Installing this IO shield thing, it's so hard. It took me like 20 minutes. But yeah, I finally installed the motherboard, and now I'm about to install the power supply down here. And yeah, I'll keep on updating you guys once I'm done with that. Alright. I'm installing my power supply right now. Look at you can see. I'm installing my power supply. Already have everything up there. Almost everything. I just need to put this last screw in to finally install it. It's right, it goes right there. Oops. It's gonna be hard doing this one-handed. Okay, there. Getting tight. No. Alright, it's done. Alright, it's installed in now. Gotcha. Alright, now you can see that I've installed the motherboard standoffs on the. Well, I screwed them into the motherboard, and then I got my power supply in, so it's gonna power the whole thing. Yeah. The power of the top of these, the USB and the microphone ports, I connected them into here so that they can work. And I'm gonna install the graphics card next. Alright, I just installed my drives into this little thing. I have to install it back in there. But yeah, after I'm done with this, I'm just gonna be adding some fans into the whole thing. So there's one right here. I'm gonna add 2 in the front, one right here and one right down here. Okay, these drives. So yeah. Alright. Now I'm finally done with it. Like everything's intact. I put a little Funko Pop in there just to make it look better. The GPU's in. The fans are down here. An extra fan's down here. I put these 2 fans, one right here. These are like RGB lighting too. And this one down here too. And well, yeah, it's done. Now all I need to do now is just connect it to my monitor and turn it on. The RGB strips are up here. These little things are here. It's what's gonna be lighting my my PC up. But yeah, it's done. I can do whatever I want with it now. Alright guys, I've installed everything on the computer so far. Fortnite, I bought Minecraft too just because I wanted to, but yeah, if you guys want me to do Fortnite videos on PC, I'll be glad to do it. It's just I haven't played Fortnite like a whole season, but I'll be back to it eventually. But yeah, just comment down below if you guys want me to play Fortnite, but until then, peace out.